2014 वर्सा हायकोर्टाच्या निर्देशा उपरांत क्रायम ब्रांचीन सुरवातीक सेरुला कोमुंदादीचे 14 प्लॉट बेकायदेशीरपणान बळकावपाचे केसींचो तपास सुरू केल्लो. उपरांत हे केशींतलो मुखेल याचिकादार मिंगेल वाझान आनीक तसल्यो 25 प्लॉटांच्यो केसी हायकोर्टा मुखार दवरल्यो. ताका लागून उपरांत क्रायम ब्रांची कडेन सेरुला कोमुंदादींतल्या वट्ट 39 प्लॉट बेकायदेशीर बळकावपाचे केशींचो तपास आशिल्लो. मात अजापाची गजाल म्हळ्यार फाटलीं 4 वर्सां जालीं क्रायम ब्रांचीक एकाय केशींत आरोपपत्र घालपाक जमिल्लें ना. आतां याचिकादार मिंगेल वाझान क्रायम ब्रांची कडेन हे केशींचो तपास करपा इतली तांक ना हो मुद्दो काडून त्यो सगळ्यो केसी सीबीआय कडेन दिवपाची मागणी केल्या.
Till date, even though the investigation was complete somewhere in 2015, the crime branch has come on record before the Honorable High Court that the investigation is complete. But till date, no charge sheet has been filed because sanction to prosecute is not forthcoming from the government. So a government that does not give the sanction to prosecute those whom it knows are guilty is actually shielding those people, is giving them further promotions, is giving them perks and salaries and making their life very comfortable. It is for the viewer to judge how serious the government is. The crime branch PIs, police inspectors, are subordinates to the deputy collector and other higher revenue officials. So here what is happening is that they are summoning deputy collectors to the crime branch for investigation, and the next day they are saluting those same deputy collectors in their offices. So there is a direct conflict of interest. It is not possible that the crime branch can ever investigate their own superior officers objectively and impartially. So in the light of all this, I have come to realize that the government is not serious about uncovering this scam. The crime branch doesn't have the competency to do it, even if they have the intention. So in the light of all this, I am saying that this is a case that would be best investigated perhaps by the CBI.
जर सरकार ह्यो केसी सीबीआय कडेन ट्रान्सफर करिना जाल्यार हायकोर्टात वचपाची शिटकावणी मिंगेल वाझान दिल्या.
This matter should go to the CBI. And I intend to move an MCA in the High Court, in that earlier PIL, requesting the court that nothing is happening. This matter is to be transferred from the crime branch to the CBI.
रोहन खंवटे जे वेळार आमदार म्हणून विरोधात आशिल्लो त्या वेळार ताणें सेरुला कोमुंदादीचो प्रस्न लावन धरिल्लो. प्रुडंटान आतां ताका ह्या विशयाचेर परत विचारले जाल्यार तो म्हणटा रोखडोच खंय तो ह्या विशयाचेर पत्रकार परिशद घेवपाचो आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.